So yeah, obviously making our way downhill back to the nearest part of the city, and we'll grab a metro train back home. Oh, tricky doing this with one hand. And there's an amazing looking swimming pool or sports club, or maybe it's just some posh apartments and swimming pool coming up on the right. That's what I was curious about as well. I was going to go the other way, but it looked like it went on too long, hence the shortcut down this hill. Oh, are you bored now, Hugo? Huh? You've gone all quiet. He goes quiet, he's bored. So he just wants back home, huh? Are you hungry? Maybe he's just enjoying. That's a good view. Alright. I think that'll do for this little vid with me and my boy Hugo. Unless something else interesting crops up. But, well, I can see the buildings approach. We are back into the city. Yeah, I recommend, yeah, look at that, sun's about to disappear there. I recommend coming up here and having a good walk around. Yeah, I wouldn't bring a pram. It's alright on the main walkways, but if you want to go, obviously, exploring, I wouldn't bring it. Oh yeah, I think I've been here before now. Anyway,